This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Kia Optima trunk latch. Start by disconnecting the battery and opening the trunk so you can fully inspect the latch and surrounding components. Check for broken clips, bent rods, misaligned striker plates, or debris obstructing motion, and clear any gunk gently. Test the release cable and actuator by hand and note where binding or failure occurs before planning repairs. In this video, I will show how to fix a Kia Optima trunk latch. Start by assembling the right tools and replacement parts so you can work efficiently and safely. Use a socket set and trim tools to remove interior panels, a multimeter to test the actuator, and pliers to manipulate linkage clips. Keep lubricant handy to free sticky parts and a magnetic tray to secure screws while you work carefully. In this video, I will show how to fix a Kia Optima trunk latch. Start by removing the interior trim panel to access the latch and actuator, then test the actuator and wiring for continuity. Replace faulty parts, realign the striker plate, and swap damaged clips while lubricating pivot points to restore smooth movement. Reinstall the panel, reconnect the battery, and test the trunk release several times to confirm a reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.